Have you been hearing people talk about Treasury bills and Treasury bonds, but you have no idea where to start? Maybe you have asked yourself, what is CSD account? Do I need one before investing? Can I even open one while living abroad? The good news is, yes, you can. In this video, I will explain what is CSD account, who can open one, and the simple steps to get started. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Becky, and on this channel, we talk about personal finance, personal development, investing, and building financial stability. If you're interested to learn how to invest wisely, consider subscribing, because every week I share practical financial education to help you make smarter money decisions. Now let's get started. What is CSD account? Before opening one, let's first understand what it is. CSD account stands for Central Securities Depository account. In simple terms, it's the account where your Treasury bills and Treasury bonds are held electronically. Think of it like this. When you buy shares, they need somewhere to be recorded. It's the same with Treasury bills and Treasury bonds. Your CSD account keeps a record of investments you own. Without CSD account, you can't invest in Treasury bills and Treasury bonds in Uganda. So it means this is your first step. Now let's see who can open CSD account. Many people think that these accounts are only for rich people or financial professionals. That's not true. Anyone can open CSD account if you are an individual investor, a company, a circle or investment club, a Ugandan living abroad, or even a foreigner investor. So whether you are living in Uganda or outside Uganda, investing in Treasury bills or Treasury bond is possible. Before you begin, these are few things you will need to open CSD account. The most important is Ugandan commercial bank account, because your CSD account is linked to it. You will also generally need your national ID or passport copy, a TIN number, a passport-sized photo, and your bank account details. If you're applying from abroad or a foreign investor, your bank may ask a few additional documents. So it's always best to confirm with your bank direct. How to open CSD account? The process is actually simpler than many people think. If you're in Uganda, you can visit your commercial bank and ask them that you want to start investing in Treasury bills and Treasury bonds. So you need to open CSD account. If you're abroad, you can usually contact your bank by email or through customer support. Most banks now support remote applications. Step 2, tell your bank that you would like to open CSD account for investing in Treasury bonds and Treasury bills. They will provide you with application form. Step 3 is filling in your personal details carefully and attach the required documents. If you are unsure about anything, don't hesitate to ask bank staff for guidance. From there, you submit completed form. The bank will forward your application to the Bank of Uganda for processing. Once it is approved, your CSD account is ready. Usually it takes like 2 or 3 working days. From there, you will be ready to start investing in T-bills and T-bonds. Now here is the thing. There may be someone who says, I'm not ready to start investing now, but I'm going to invest next year or next month or after 6 months, it is still okay. Opening SCD account is free of charge. You can go and open one, and once you are ready to start investing, you can start investing. The best part is that you can open SCD account once, and you will continue using the same account for all the future investments. How to open SCD account if you're Ugandan abroad? You all need the same requirements. That's a bank detail, TIN number, national ID, passport photo, then bank details. So what to do now? Email your bank that you want to open CSD account so you start investing in T-bills and T-bonds. They request a copy of exit stamp in your passport. Then they will request your ID of the country where you are. If you are in a state, in Europe or in Gulf countries, you will have to give the ID of that country where you are. Once you give them all the requirements they have asked, then they will give you appointment where they will make a video call when you're holding your national ID. Most of the banks, they do it that way. Once they are done with verification and it is approved, you will get email of your CSD account. From there, you can start investing in T-bills and T-bonds. These are important things to note. Opening SCD account is generally free. The bank only charges you when you started investing. Once you start investing, every time you're investing in T-bills or T-bonds, they deduct from your account for administrative or maintenance fee. So always confirm with your bank. In case you're opening SCD account, you can always confirm with them what is their maintenance or administrative fee. Another thing you have to know is that minimum amount you can start investing in T-bills and T-bonds is only 100k Ugandan shillings, and you can invest in multiples of 100k Ugandan shillings, making these investments accessible for beginners. The biggest mistake many people make is waiting until they think they have a lot of money. The truth is, getting started is often the hardest part. Once you have your bank account, you open SCD account, you will always find it easy to start investing in T-bills and T-bonds. I hope this video has helped you to understand how to open CSD account and take the first step towards investing in Treasury bills and Treasury bonds in Uganda. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share with your friends who need to start investing in T-bills and T-bonds, and also don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss my next videos. I also would love to hear from you in the comments. Are you planning to open SCD account from Uganda or abroad? See you in next video. Bye-bye.